Today morning, the Prime Minister, Honorable Prime Minister of India, Shri Narendra Modi, addressed the nation, and the common message was that we have made remarkable strides in various spheres, and we are working towards a developed India by 2047.
The beautiful country Kenya here is giving us this fantastic opportunity to celebrate this Independence Day, the 80th Independence Day of India.
India is my birthplace, but Kenya is the place where I received everything.
Kenya is a very beautiful country. Their people are very kind, very loving, and we are very happy that